Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 4th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I thought the Dow Jones Industrial Average behaved magnificently today, at least in terms of my expectation. I have not wanted to see a huge bounce out of this latest huge retreat. What's happened just in the last few days, the Dow fell so hard and so fast it erased all the gains that had been previously made in 2014. And I could see some scenario where this thing just, all of a sudden people realize, well, hey, this thing's way too low, and they just bid it up wildly. I am waiting for one of those days. I think it's coming fairly soon, but I wanted to see the market kind of consolidate at these lower levels. And today we had what I felt was some consolidation at these lower levels. Even though the Dow ended up closing up 76 points, it was kind of a measured, very predictable kind of rally, and I liked it. And we did fairly well. I mean, nothing to write home about, but we closed out over $2,000 in positive trades. And keep in mind, we had about negative 1,000 on the close on Friday. So we took that negative 1,000, turned it into positive over 2,000, and we're carrying over $3,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So it was just a really nice day for us. Very pleasing and comfortable, easy to trade. Anyway, let me show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and again, you can see this huge drop we've had. As I say, that erased all the positive gains that the Dow had made in 2014, but we get down here, and Friday was kind of a consolidation day, and today also, even though we had an up move here, this market is kind of moving gently sideways with an upside bias, so it feels pretty good to me. And I like to see that. And there was no big movement right at the beginning of the day. I kind of like that. I don't like to see these big spikes on the first 15 minutes. It came down, made a negative low down here, pretty close to the lows from Friday, and then it kind of gently started moving up and ended up closing pretty close to the highs today. So that's good action, and I think very positive for us. We had a few good trades today. Again, this market wasn't cutting loose, so we're not looking at huge volatility today, but we still had some nice trades. This first one was in ANAC, ANAC, or Anacor Pharmaceuticals, and we had gotten into this about 30 minutes into the day, and it just kept going very nicely, and then ended up closing up pretty close to the highs. And then we got another one here that I liked, and this is in PRTA, which is Prothena. I like symmetrical charts just because we very seldom see them. This chart today is moving up at almost a perfect 45-degree angle. Very few things in trading ever move at a nice straight line like that, but Prothena seemed to be, and we bought this after the midday and pretty darn high. It was kind of scary, but we got into it and it just kept going. There's no problem there, and we are holding about over $1,500 we're holding over $2,000 in Prothena. So that's a very nice looking trade for us. Anyway, nice comfortable day. No sweating, no white knuckles. It just went really well, and I'm very happy. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.